Hey, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Quanjenae, and today I am going to be using and unboxing this bottle washer from Grownsy. Y'all, I have wanted a bottle washer ever since I had my baby. My baby is now 11 months. He'll be one soon, but I still need one of these because I'm trying to wean him off of my breast because I exclusively breastfed his whole time, and I'm trying to wean him off when he gets to one. So I need to pump a little bit more because I want to have a little milk supply for him. So I don't want to clean no bottles when he start getting off the breast. I don't want to clean no pump parts when he get off the breast. So here we are. I'm so excited. This video is long overdue. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, they been sent me this, but your girl been sick. And that's also another reason why I need to go ahead and crack this open, because so many people says this saves you so much time. Like, I really don't have the time to wash bottles. And also, my son, he drinks out of cups now. So, like, I don't have time to wash his little cups. I don't have time to wash no pump parts. I don't have time for anything nowadays, okay? So, like I said, this is from Grownsy. I'm really familiar with their brand because I have their car camera, which I absolutely love. And then I also have their bottle washer, not bottle washer, bottle warmer. So that's also a really good product of theirs as well. So let's not do too much talking. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. So this is their bottle washer machine, and it's an automatic cleaning, sterilizing, and drying. It's multiple cleaning modes. It's powerful rotation nozzles, and it's a sterile storage. Okay, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box. So like I said, this is first impressions, my first time opening it. This is actually my first time using a bottle washer in general, so I'm gonna have to like read the instructions, make sure I'm doing everything right. And I got some bottles over there that's been waiting, some pump parts over there that's been waiting, so we gonna go ahead and get them washed. Right, and everything comes in this one little part right here. I know that's right. Okay, so here she is. Y'all, I'm about to be running this down to the ground. I should have told them, go ahead and send me an extra pack of the little cleaning, little things you gotta put in here, because this is about to get used every single day. Okay, so I'm gonna try to step back because I tilt the camera down a little bit so y'all can get a better view. But they have the quick user guide on the side. I love stuff that makes it easy for me. So it literally tells you to plug it in, connect the water in. Oh yeah, so it says plug it in, connect the water outlet properly, fill the water tank with purified distilled water. We have that. Pour out any remaining milk from the bottles. I did that. Okay. Nips, bottles, caps, and the screw rings go on top. And then I have to add the detergent. Oh yeah, and that's the little detergent pad I'm talking about. Okay, so literally fast. They got a fast wash, so I can do a 19-minute fast wash plus a 10-minute sterilization plus a 60-minute drying, and it'll automatically store for 72 hours after the work is complete. Or I can do a standard wash, which is 29 minutes fast wash, a 10-minute sterilization, same thing as the drying as well. And then I could do sterilization only. Okay, so you can do sterilization only, and then I can also do just drying and storage as well. So if I wash them, which I'm not because I got this, but if I did wash them, I can just dry it in here and then store it. That's cool, because I do have one pump that I can't put into like a sterilizer, but I can dry it. So that mold would definitely be good for like those type of pump parts or any bottles that can't be put in here. So let's go ahead and crack it open. Be already impressed because they give 2 30 bags of the detergent tablets, and I believe from the instructions you only use 1 tablet. Yeah, you only use 1 tablet per wash cycle. So this is 60 washes I'm getting already off rip, and I already know I'm about to use all 60. So something to keep in mind is you have to put this into a proper container to hold the water that's going to drain from it, or put it into your sink. Luckily my sink is right to the left of me, so I'm just going to stick it to my counter and have it drain into my sink. So that's pretty cool, so I don't have to worry about no water. And also I feel like it's kind of like big, but it's not too big, because it's kind of like this take up the same amount of space that my drying rack is taking up. So literally my drying rack is right in front of my sink. So once I get these bottles in here to get cleaned, I can take that drying rack down and move it, and then I'll be able to put this right there by the sink. So anytime I need to drain, the hose will be right there in front of the sink. So still easy. To show y'all a little bit of the closer details of the touchpad. So you could turn it on like that. and then they tell you if it's lack of water, tell you what it's doing at the time, and then I can do fast, standards, and then tell them what I want to do. You can pause me and all that stuff too. Okay, so let's go ahead and load it up. So this top part is where the tops of the bottles and stuff go. This inside part is where the actual bottles go. So I'll give y'all a closer look. Okay, so here I am. Put that bottle. It's like a little fastening in there so it can stay. So I think you could fit up to 4 bottles. So let me see. I don't really have 4 bottles. I only have 2, and then I'm gonna try to fit some pump parts in here. So let's see. I know I'm probably not supposed to fit stuff in here, but we just gonna see how it goes. But it's the best way I could try to fit these pump parts in here. I'm not too sure if these pieces are detachable. I'm pretty sure they are, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to take them off, and I'll let y'all know my outcome. Okay, so this is my setup right here. This is how I have it, and I'm about to start it. Okay, so I have to put the water in there, and they have 2 ways you could do it. You could take it off and fill it, or you could do it like this. Now be mind, this thing do take a lot of water. So we have a water distiller so we can distill our water fast, but I think this probably like a gallon. So you ready to use this, you gotta have the purified water, or you need to have distilled water. So I'm gonna put the tablet in, and then I'm going to put the top on. Alright, and then I'm going to start it. And we're going to do a standard wash because I have time to wait. And I also want to show you guys just like the standard, not a fast one. So we're going to do standard. We're going to do drying and yeah, so all that. And now I'm going to go ahead and start it. I'm so excited, y'all. I can't wait to see how the bottles come out. So I'll definitely come back and show y'all how the bottles come out. Okay, y'all, so here is the next day, and as you can see, I'm about to touch it. It tells you what is happening and like how many hours you have left. So I think that is really cool. But I'm actually gonna go ahead and open it just to show y'all how the bottle looks and how like it cleaned it. Okay, so here is the bottle and all the other stuff. The stuff is clean, so this is definitely something that I will be using. Y'all definitely need to check this out. This is going to be a lifesaver for me, so y'all should definitely check out Grownsy and their brand.